Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I hope everyone is still staying safe. So today we will be answering a question that is frequently asked here on the channel and also on my Instagram DMs. And it's all about which one is better. Is it running an international dropshipping store or a local dropshipping store? And actually my honest answer is it depends on some factors. So if you want to know more information about that, stick around until the end of the video. The first factor that you have to consider is your appetite for risk. It's no secret that running ads internationally is much more expensive than running ads here in the Philippines. So in effect, you would need more capital or more money to invest on your business if you want to start an international dropshipping store versus running a local dropshipping store. And then the second factor that you have to consider is your product. You have to ask yourself, does your product have an international appeal? For example, your product is a water dipper or in Tagalog, a tabo. Westerners do not know how to use that. So it would not make any sense for you to spend money and advertise it. You have to remember that if the product does not resonate with your audience, your ad budget or your ad spend will just go to waste. The third factor that you have to consider is your supplier. Can your supplier ship out to countries such as USA, Australia, Canada, or also known as the Tier 1 countries? If yes, then you may proceed with your international dropshipping store, but if not, then it would be a problem. You have to take note that shipping fees here in the Philippines going to the USA or Australia or Canada would cost around 2,000 plus pesos, so it would just eat up all your profits if your supplier cannot ship out to those countries economically. So you have to make sure that you are considering all these factors to make sure that you are gearing up yourself for success, not just in running a dropshipping store but also any kind of business. So just also bonus information, a lot of people are also asking if they need to buy a course to be able to start this kind of business. And my answer is no, you do not need to have a course or hire a mentor to do this kind of business. But it would also help you if you buy a course, because it would usually courses tell you what the structure on how to do your ads, on how to choose your products, on how to negotiate with suppliers, but it's not a need. You can still be successful without buying a course or hiring a mentor. If you ask me, I did not buy a course right away. I waited for my store to earn enough money for me to be able to use the profit and then buy a course. Because if you're starting with a very low budget, let's say for example 10,000 pesos or 5,000 pesos, and you will spend that entire money to buy a course, then it might not be a good idea. It's always better to use that money to know more about Facebook ads by actually using Facebook ads and not just reading about Facebook ads, but experimenting on how ad sets work, on how budget works, on how to break it down from like gender or country or interest, all those factors. So if you would ask my advice, if you guys would need a course or a mentor, I would say no at the start, but yes, if you are fully committed in this kind of business and you have started to run it, but it just seems like you want to improve more and you want to level up on your business, then it might be a good idea to have a mentor or also buy a course. So yeah. So I hope you learned something new today, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe down below. Click that and probably the notification bell if you want to know more information on how this business works. And again, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Wishing you all success, and till the next video. Bye.